What's up, Social Cam? It's late at night, and I feel like playing a video game. And what better way than to kill lots of zombies in San Romero High? But I won't be playing a game without an empty stomach, so what I got here is a handful of lollipops. Perfect for the theme of today's game that I'm playing. After all, Lollipop Chainsaw, I gotta come prepared with these. Anyway, I'm about to get set up by broadcasting over Twitch TV. So, if you can find me on Twitch TV, I'll be on there with I'll be on there live and probably saving my recordings. So I hope everyone who loves to kill zombies will enjoy this game. So catch you later, Social Cam. Lollipop Chainsaw. Bomb.